Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. Assembly Budget Session. Supplementary budget of Rs 9,125 crore passed in the Legislative Assembly. A budget of Rs 9,125 crore for the financial year 2020 to 21 was passed in the Legislative Assembly of Himachal Pradesh on Tuesday. In Himachal, the expenditure of the government increased during the corona period, so this time the supplementary budget has increased more than in the previous financial year. 989 outsourced employees to be merged in Jal Shakti Department. Himachal Pradesh Jal Shakti Minister Mahinder Singh Thakur said that 989 employees hired on outsourced in the department will be merged. The proposal in this regard will be presented for approval in the cabinet meeting. Thousands of consumers have not paid electricity bill of 424 crores in Himachal. Thousands of consumers of Himachal Pradesh have not paid the electricity bill of 424 crores rupees of State Electricity Board. Consumers of Shimla and Solan district are in front for those who do not pay electricity bill.
Himachal Legislative Assembly session, uproar in the House, opposition back out after sharp noises from the ruling party. On the third day of the budget session of the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly, there was an uproar in the morning on Tuesday. Question hour could not start at 11 am. For about 55 minutes, there were noises in the ruling and opposition in the House. Then, when the question hour was announced, the opposition continued to oppose it, and the leader continued to take up the matter of cancelling the suspension of 5 MLAs, including the opposition. The question hour started in a clamour for 5 minutes, but the members of the opposition walked out of the House shouting slogans. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has said that the incident of attacking the governor is not forgivable. Speaking on the noise made by Congress MLAs in the House Assembly, the Chief Minister said that audience know everything who has done what. Due to the incident, the governor's family returned from the assembly in shame. Congress MLAs have not done any crime, said Veerbhadra. Former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh said on Tuesday that the Congress MLAs did not commit such a big crime that they should be suspended from the budget session of Vidhan Sabha. The former CM and MLA who reached Shimla Holy told journalists that the opposition and the ruling party will end this impasse. Former Chief Minister gets COVID-19 vaccination with wife. The COVID-19 vaccination campaign is the best way to drive away the fear of corona epidemic that is prevalent among all people. In Hamirpur on Tuesday, senior BJP leader and former Chief Minister Professor Prem Kumar Dhumal said this while speaking to reporters after injected COVID-19 vaccine with Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Medical College, Hamirpur. 32 new cases of corona positive in Himachal. Himachal Pradesh has received 32 new cases of coronavirus on Tuesday. Kangra district has 10, Solan 4, Una 2, Sirmaur 10, Mandi 2, while one new case has been registered in Bilaspur, Hamirpur, Kinnaur, Shimla and Solan. With this, the figure of corona infects of the state has reached 58,800. The active cases of corona are now 437. So far, 57,367 infected have been cured and 983 have died. Online registration will also be held at Lokmitra centers for corona vaccination. In the third phase of corona vaccination that started in Himachal Pradesh, the elderly above 60 years will have to register online before getting vaccinated. Only after registration-free immunization facility will be provided by the health department to the elderly. For online registration, the elderly can also register by visiting COVID app, Arogya Setu app and Lokmitra Kendra. Congress Black Chapter in Municipal Corporation Dharamshala, Pathania. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has won 4 municipal elections in Himachal Pradesh with a thumping majority. In this series, the new Youth Service and Support Minister Rakesh Pathania started the campaign vigorously in the second municipal corporation Dharamshala in the state, saying that the past 5 years of Congress has remained as a black chapter in the municipal corporation Dharamshala. The government has transferred 5 HAS officers. The state government has issued transfer orders of 5 HAS officers. Deepti Mandotra has also given the additional charge of land acquisition officer Parvati Project Kullu.
Chances of rain and snow in Himachal. There are chances of rain and snowfall in 8 districts of Himachal Pradesh amidst the yellow alert of the storm on Wednesday. Weather is expected to remain clear in the state on March 4 and 5. The weather is expected to be bad throughout the state between March 6 and 8. Government job, 11 posts of Anganwadi workers and assistants to be filled. The posts of workers and assistants will be filled in the Anganwadi centers under Poo section of Kinnaur district. In this, 7 posts of workers and 4 posts of assistants will be filled.
Protests were conducted in a unique manner on Tuesday in a series of continuous demonstrations by ABVP. Activists organized a Sadbuddhi Havan at the permanent campus of the Central University Dharamshala. During this period, ABVP activists duly chanted sitting in the Havan and offered sacrifices in the Havan. They also demanded the resignation of Vice Chancellor and Registrar. I will work as a shield for the MLA in the development of Jogindarnagar. Reema Rana. Reema Rana, the wife of MLA Prakash Rana of Jogindarnagar Assembly and State BJP Mahila Morcha member, said that she will also become the shield of the MLA for the development of the subdivision. The government's plans will reach every section, she said. Itinerant will set up camp for sheep herders, animal husbandry department to be held in Dera tomorrow in presence of the Lok Kapoor. Special camps are being organized by the Department of Animal Husbandry to share the grief of the sheep herders, in which the problems of sheep keepers will be solved and they will also be made technically aware. Deputy Director of Animal Husbandry Department, Dr. Sanjeev Dhiman, said that to overcome the problems of nomadic sheep herders, the department will organize camps at different places across the district. HRTC will get new drivers in April. HRTC will get 359 new drivers in the month of April. The corporation management has sent the drivers to 10 training centers in the state in a month's training after the driver recruitment results are announced, where the drivers are being trained to run the buses as per the rules of the corporation. Training of 359 drivers has been started at different places in the state. Private companies will give job to hundreds of youth. Campus interviews will be held on 6th March at Dharamshala Industrial Training Institute in Himachal Pradesh. During this time, many big companies will give employment to the youth. Hero Cycle Company will provide employment to 100 unemployed. 5 people arrested with 304.5 gram opium and 152.80 gram charas in Vilaspur. The Barmana police has recovered opium from 3 people belonging to Solan district. The police have arrested 2 people and started the ensuing action. At the same time, the police have registered a case and started the ensuing action. We will be right back with fresh news. Till then, have a nice day from Diary Times.